Here's my simple trick for cleaning produce. I'm using this nutribiotic grapefruit seed extract. This is used to sanitize water sometimes, and I found it's actually a really good way to clean the produce. So I do about 10 drops of this grapefruit seed extract into my bowl. I add some water, and then I place the produce directly in. And then I wash it around with just a little bit, trying to get off any of the residue. And afterwards I find that the produce is pretty clean with the grapefruit seed extract on it. So that's my quick tip for washing the produce.